it's me, Googoopie! Let's learn about mini monsters. Insects are mini monsters. Let's learn the letter S. S is for stick insect. Can you say stick insect? Good job! Ooh, can you see the stick insect? I bet you can't, because it can camouflage, which means it blends in with the surroundings. It looks exactly like branches on a tree. Remember, it's a stick insect.